What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty My, and today I'm going to be installing this closure wig from Mslynn HAIR. I'm pretty sure when you clicked on the video you thought it was a frontal, but no sis, it's a closure. Okay, I done did a little side part action, so I moved it to the side and it's bomb. It looks fire. I was really surprised by this hair today. Yeah, it just caught me off guard. I didn't know it was gonna be this cute, but since it is, keep watching to see how I got my hair to look like this. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of the video, okay? Stay tuned to the end for the stats on this hair too, and like my little mini review or whatever. But yeah, keep watching if y'all want to see how I achieve this look. Bye. Bye. Alright y'all, that's it. So I'm done with my hair right now. It came out better than I was expecting because the wig actually was looking like thinner than I wanted it to, and the curls weren't looking how I wanted them to. But once it was on my head, it looked like really good. And I'm glad that I tried the side part because I do not regret it. I don't even know how I would have pulled this hair off in the middle part. So yeah, I'm definitely feeling the side part. If y'all see me looking to the side of my camera, I'm using my flip out screen today, so sorry about that. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this hair, and I did not think, like, I'm gonna just be real, I did not think I was gonna like this. So yeah, pleasantly surprised, like, honestly. It definitely has more volume than I thought it was going to. So yeah, everything about this wig just kind of surprised me. I didn't expect to like it this much. And I really am into this lace and just the whole plucking area, but I'm gonna get into that in a second. So this hair is Mslynn's 4x4 water wave closure in 26 inches. It looked shorter when I pulled it out the box, that's another thing, but now it's like coming all the way down how it should. It does fit to me like a 24 inch. I feel like it should feel longer because it's a loose wave, but this does come to like my waist area. It does not touch my butt. I'm 5'8" though, so I'm kind of tall, so I don't know. But yeah, this is 26 inches if you want the exact same look. Before I let y'all go, one thing that I want to tell you guys that kind of surprised me, this is not an HD lace. This is just a regular lace. I was told it was light colored / transparent with some foundation to like darken it to your skin color. This is like top tier lace. I'm very impressed and surprised, honestly. And if I'm being real with y'all, I just literally right before this video I plucked and bleached this, and I barely plucked it, and I just didn't expect it to look this good. Like, I'm gonna just be 100%. So yeah, if you're considering this hair, I would definitely buy it, especially if it's affordable, because it does it's very easy to put on, and the hair is super duper light. It's just a very quick hairstyle to have on the go, especially if you are somebody who just wants to get their hair done. This is something you can do at home by yourself. So yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. All the links to direct you guys to Mslyn's hair company will be down below, including the link directly to the same hair I'm wearing right now. So y'all go check it out down below and see the price and all that stuff, because it does change. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you guys leave this video though, and comment down below what else you guys would like to see on this channel, of course. And don't forget to also check out Mslyn down below. Like I said, all the links are down there. And then lastly, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at itsPrettyNY for all the behind the scenes content. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.